everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a super sweet and adorable bracelet? We are using basic bead stringing to create this bracelet, and it's just perfect if you need a last minute gift or perfect for the spring season. We are using some Czech glass. This is more of a peach, like a light peach morganite color. Few little spacer beads. These adorable opalite hearts. I used them in so many of my Valentine's designs earlier this year. And some of my favorite beads to create with laser etched butterfly beads, and they're double sided. So I love to use these for bracelets just in case the bead decides to move. You're going to get a butterfly on the other side. We are using beautiful purple amethyst soft flex wire. You'll just need a clasp of your choice. I'm using a lobster claw, two 6 millimeter jump rings, and two 2x2s. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And down below in the description, I will also leave a bracelet tutorial playlist link, as well as information on the products used in this video. Let's start creating. Doing bead stringing, I like to work on the spool. It just acts as a bead stop. So your beads aren't going to slide off the other end. So we're just going to design our beautiful bracelet. So we have our beautiful bracelet, and when I'm using the opalite hearts, I thought of Mother's Day. So this might be a really nice gift for that. And then instead of like the pink beads, maybe you could use gemstones, like if amethyst for a February birthday, and then just kind of customize it. So we have our design. We're just going to add them on to our wire. And I love how, depending how the bead turns, you can see the beautiful purple amethyst through it. So it just kind of adds to the design. You could also use this in a pink tourmaline if you wanted to. And our beautiful butterfly coin. It's kind of a rainbow color, so it's going to pick up any color that the opalite. So we have all the beads added on, and you can just tell how that opalite is just glowing. So it's called opalite, but it's almost like opal light. So I know opals are so beautiful and they have so many different colors, almost like a little rainbow in them, but they are pricey. So you can do opalite to kind of get a little bit of that same opal look. So we're going to add on one 2x2, still keeping our beads on the soft lex. Just going to add on our 2x2, and then we're just going to pass back through. This is going to create a little loop. Now you can attach your clasp directly to it. I like to attach it to jump rings. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squish. This is going to flatten. I'm going to rotate them and squeeze again. And it's just going to round my 2x2 for a more professional finish. We have just a little bit of a tail for soft lex, so we're going to trim that with our other pliers. Now we're just going to slide all our beads down. And if you ever have extra softflex wire in your project, be sure to save it. You can always use it for a future project. So we're just going to trim a workable length. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Add on our 2x2 and just pass back through and give it a pull. And we want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. You would just like them similar. We'll just make any adjustments as needed. And then we're going to bring in our pliers, squish, and rotate. And trim off the extra soft flex. So we have our beautiful bracelet. Now I like to attach jump rings and then my clasp a couple reasons. If this is a gift, you can always extend the length of your necklace or bracelet, or if you wanted to switch out a clasp in the future, maybe for like a toggle bar, you could just open up a jump ring without having to restring your projects. And also with jump rings, it just kind of acts as another little connection point where you can add a charm. So we're just going to add on your 6 millimeter jump ring and our lobster claw. Now, if you are using a two-sided clasp like a lobster claw or a magnetic clasp, you would just attach one part of the clasp to each jump ring. And then when you close your jump rings, you should hear like a little click, and you'll know that the ends are connected. We have our super fun and easy, beautiful bracelet, perfect for springtime or Mother's Day. And you can always add a charm at the end if you wanted to, or a couple more jump rings, and maybe turn this into an anklet for the summertime. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all the products used in today's video, as well as a tutorial playlist. Have an awesome day.